It is officially happening. The biggest bull run of cryptocurrency history is upon us, and things are starting to fall into place, let alone humongous amounts of money is going to be flowing into this market very, very soon. What am I talking about? Well, a gigantic tech company. Well, they're voting on whether they should be buying Bitcoin or not. We're going to break down exactly what is going on, why this is super bullish, and what the hell is happening to the US government Bitcoin wallet. All of that in this video. Hit that like and subscribe button for more. Let's get into it. Okay. You may have guessed, Microsoft right now are going to put a vote to their shareholders, amongst many other things that they are doing, as whether they should be buying Bitcoin or not. It's officially here. All those naysayers that believe we're going back to 40K, 38K, you are wrong, my friend. Unfortunately, this is only going up. And if Microsoft do decide to get into Bitcoin, well, the absolute writing is on the wall. It's six figures, I believe, without even trying. Now, you know this channel is all about bringing you reputable information that we can back up. Let's take a look at what happens when Microsoft does invest. How much money do they truly put in? Well, you can see some of these headlines. Microsoft invested $1.5 billion in Abu Dhabi's AI group G42. They have also invested up to $150 million into Apple's unlikely savior 27 years ago. I mean, imagine what that would be worth right now. $1.5 billion into an AI company, $16 billion going into Pfizer and many others. And again, you can see there just huge amounts of money that flows in from Microsoft. They don't go in quietly. They want to absolutely announce to the world that they have arrived. So how do we know they're going? Well, we have December the 10th. They will be voting on this. This is Schedule 14A, the statement pursuant to Section 14A of the Securities and Exchange Act 1934, giving us a view of what's going on and, more importantly, where this sits with the Microsoft Corporation. This was a filing put towards them. Now, there's a ton of things around electoral people, who they're going to vote for. You can see it all here. Are they going to propose certain individuals look after it? One of the key things though here, and I'm going to zoom in if I may, you can see here at the bottom right hand side, point number 5 is assessment of investing in Bitcoin. Now, all of the shareholders, you can see a lot of them there on the left hand side, do vote on this proposal, which ultimately is either yes, no, or they don't want to vote. And I think this is going to be very, very interesting. I want you guys to drop in the comments. What do you think? Do you think most people are going to vote for or against? Here's my view. I think we're going to see for. I think Microsoft is going to buy into Bitcoin if they haven't already started. And the reason why I believe that is when you look at the biggest metric or understanding we have of whether institutional investment wants to get into this asset or not, well, you kind of go, yes, they do. Bitcoin ETFs, once again, for BlackRock, 4,800 Bitcoin, taking their total now for 7 days at 15,950. That is a huge amount, once again, for BlackRock to be buying. Yes, we saw a little bit of outflows from ARK21, as well as someone like VanEck, Investco, and Franklin Templeton, but to be buying 4,800 Bitcoin on a Thursday, man, I don't even know what day of the week it is, then understand exactly what that means. Institutional money is coming, and it's coming in big. And the reason why that is going to be important is, well, the US government is obviously moving things around or allegedly being hacked for over $20 million. Interestingly enough on this, and I do want to point this out, by the way, we try and track some of these wallets. They actually send over $7 million to the burn address. I mean, that's going to be one of the biggest burns in history for those that understand meme coin tokenomics. But yeah, a massive amount of money sent up to a dead wallet. That's never coming back. Interesting. Still over $14 billion, however, in this wallet. But yeah, 20 million lost out of that. Very interesting indeed. So what's going on with the price right now? Well, look, Bitcoin is breaking out exactly as we predicted. The retest on this upper range and now pumping to the upside. Again, if BlackRock decide to come in as big as they have done over the last couple of days, we'll expect Bitcoin to continually move to the upside. We were taking a look at this again off this bottom level support range that didn't come in test. We didn't actually get to that point, but it looks very, very bullish. And again, we talk about this pattern, this W pattern that we've been printing out. This looks like it's going in the right direction. That triple bottom, again, that we've been talking about, all printing very, very interestingly. And once again, you can Fibonacci retracement this to give us a view, or a trend-based Fibonacci, to understand exactly where this is going to go. And it all starts to print out in a very interesting pattern. So look at this. Holding right now on the 618 Fibonacci. This is a key level for us. If we can hold 68,492, that was what we're looking for. that could signify a break. The 786 Fibonacci will be our next point at 73,000. Again, breaking through some key resistance levels at 71.2. Again, giving us that monthly candle that's absolutely going to be pushing us to the upside. So lots of positive news. I mean, imagine that $10 billion flows into Bitcoin from Microsoft. Imagine they go even bigger. Imagine ETFs. Imagine there becomes a war between Microsoft and BlackRock. The thought process is crazy when you think about exactly what's going on. So look out. I think, and I called, and I absolutely believe we're in for a big week for Bitcoin. Look out for a big move tomorrow into the weekend. Not generally what we like to see on a Friday, but look, we got it last week. I think we could even see a 70K push tomorrow. But as always, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Do you think Microsoft are going to get in or not? Dead interested to know your thoughts. Hit that like and subscribe button. Check out some of the links if you're looking to trade Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, or anything else. All down there with MEXC, over $8,000 worth of new sign-up bonuses. But as always, thank you so much, everybody. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.